Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ducky's Awesome, and today it is pouring outside. My brothers Jermaine Bunnigan, and Ryan, my brother, they are playing around. And today is it's spring break, yay! And here he comes. What are you talking about? I'm gonna go inside so I can look at him. And today is trampoline fun. Nope, it's kidding. JK, got you if I got you. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go. Should I go in here and in the dark, creepy room, or the light room? Mom, I'm gonna be in your room. Alright, there we go. Well, some of it. And guess what? Got my nails done. Actually, I did them by myself. They were just fake. I love doing nails. Alright. Did you hear that? Here, let me go. This is outside right now. Soaking wet. And yeah, so, yeah. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
You say hi to
Raining.
YouTube?
Hello, kiddos.
My grandpa. Alright, that would be it for the episode. Whoa. That'd be it for this episode. It's gonna be a short one today. Okay. So, bye.